Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error solved. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Event Collector. Change Startup Type to Auto MATC, start the service, click Apply, click OK. Open Windows Event Collector, change Startup Type to Automatic, start the service, click Apply, click OK. Open Windows Update Service, change Startup Type to Automatic, start the service, click Apply, click OK. Second method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click Accept. Check Upgrade this PC now, click Next. Click Accept. Check Install Windows 10 and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.